I'm in my classroom. Day one of classroom setup. If you're new, my name is Stephanie and I am a fourth grade teacher. Technically a first year fourth grade teacher, but I've been teaching for 4 years. And the time has come. We are in my classroom, which you just saw. And we're just gonna dive in. I think I'm going to I have a bookcase that I bought from Target, and I bought a 10-drawer cart from Michael. So I think I'm gonna build that, and that's pretty much all that I have planned. There's that. I've been watching all the classroom setup videos before I came in, and like everyone just started. So I think I'm just gonna do that. So let's go ahead and do this. Finished the 10-drawer cart. Let me show you. I'm tired of building things. I still have to do the bookshelf from Target, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm going to just lay out my rug so that they can well, the boho-y looking one with the fringe probably won't be a problem, but this one that I got from IKEA, it's the black and white one that I feel like every teacher has been rolled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay that out just so it can flatten, and then I'll pick some books too. like once I start doing something, I just need to do it, but then my brain also is crazy. So like I'll see something else, and then I think I need to jump into doing that. It's a whole thing. Like my plan was to set up my teacher area, my teacher desk. All I did was move the desk pretty much, and I kind of got it cleared off. And then I put some things on my whiteboard and wrote a to-do list. Then I jumped to my bulletin board and I got the background done. But I'm trying to decide, do I want to do a double border? Never done a double border before, but if you watch my classroom tour or have been with me for the past, I guess it's been a year now, almost a year. I was using I don't know if you can see that down there. There's some black and white border or something there down there. So I used that to line my board last year, but I feel like I kind of want to be fancy and double board it with this scalloped border. So this would be under, and then the black and white would be on top. Let me know down below what you think. I think I'm gonna do like the top part to see if I like it, and then I'll show you guys, and then down below let me know yay or nay. Okay.